10 and they'll break it up.
Yep.
Yeah, we sold,
Yeah.
the last tape
Oh, sorry.
we worked on was a cutting head. We sold it to Buddy Ennis.
Yep.
13 head one. So he built this
I
building
think they're
for
just
us.
started. I think we do.
Told him, like, the tape machine can't be out. It has to be in the cubic. It has to be.
Yeah, are you doing the steam?
So
You better give it a
just
little
like
more.
we set it up and it worked great for about 2 weeks. And it was, I'm going to
Going back in there.
And
there.
we came back for the weekend.
Into one pocket. And then he went into the next pocket. But he didn't go up, down,
Want to get a couple of swats on the other side? Sure.
Yeah, well, actually, we have one further down. I thought.
18
Stop.
inch skip. And it finished 17 and something. And we machined the outside. And we had like fixture plates on everything, right?
Closed the whole school.
We had the fixture plate, we bolted
Yeah,
it.
we
may want to try that back.
And it was a timed affair, so that when you
Oh, nobody there, they didn't say,
oh,
so I got home.
down.
See what's going
So
on there. What
we did the
hell is
outside.
what-
And we did the inside. And again, like you, we lifted up the
Okay.
I Googled the school and find out that there was a fire.
Here, here, 3/8.
Next little article was that the police
Or
were.
a 1 inch, or a 3/8, 3/8 bolt.
But I
Had like 3,500 RPM.
Yeah.
went through.
Oh, it went right through.
Hold on.
Yep.
Ripped it right out of the aluminum underneath.
Yeah.
Leave us a little bit and then.
What's it going on?
Now, do we want to?
Yeah, no, was in
How much length do we need? We need a
Some-
I'm just wondering if it's easier to nip
There it
those
is.
off.
There it is.
Not the last
Shave them
bit.
off.
And it's not like, you know, you go up slow and you go over slow. It was like half an inch and 400 inches. That way.
Yeah.
Three and a half
long.
3/8 by
3/8 inch.
You're on the floor.
Okay, no, but what I'm saying is rather than driving that in, we may be able to just nip those off. But we'll see if we can get there.
There's enough volume.
No, not enough. Okay.
Enough anymore.
Days we went on Virgin Friday for cars.
Dean Smith and Gray, the way to go.
Okay.
Practice all year.
Yeah.
That's
Really,
Up a bit? No. Okay.
bring your flag.
Okay. Don't have a set hammer here.
You want to have
Well, I got one in the shop, but I didn't bring it with me.
There's a piece of half or an inch square right there. I don't know if it's too big or
I
not.
put the guy that worked there.
You better hang out with a pair of tongs.
Yeah.
He's telling me that
It's only 3/4, but.
the boxes of made right, they get He said, and then finally they stopped.
That's 3/4.
There we go.
Yeah.
What do you think of that thing, Sean? What? They look pretty good.
They do. You see, John, you. Yeah,
Yep.
That's what the board.
It's running on the center of the wheel.
Deep enough. Yeah, deeper.
He's all.
A little less to do those.
When you want to do a CWB
This one.
There's also a method for it.
I like
Get them away from the donuts.
What you do is the first time, an instructor does it, an instructor student tell me what they had. And then I zoomed.
Yeah.
And it's all so if you try to skip.
Oh, yeah. Piece of bar? Yep. Yeah, it's a bar with
So that was just three steps. So, but if you skip from, like most of the instructor saying.
I assume it's on it, this big bar isn't long enough? Yeah. Also provide you know what? Vibrations? Oh, I suppose yeah, that's true too. Yeah, we got it back, wouldn't it?
Remember all the steps.
Never get used to those fucking things. Like vibrations come up through the hammer and steel. I was a kid. It's one of the kids' jobs I had as a kid was an construction job running a goddamn hand built there on a cement wall. I mean, vibrations go home. The fan I got had vibrations down at the end of the day. Oh, power hammer? Yeah, power hammer. Oh, jackhammer. Yeah, just a small handheld.
Oh, yeah.
Well, Brian does.
That happens a lot. Yeah. In the United States, the auto workers were all women. Over the all materials. Oh, it got.
That's nice that short handled sledge.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Stop that on the trip, something like this or pottery place. Yeah. Well, we're trying to do that with my mother. Park them on the car and go mystery tour type thing. Yeah. You went down to Chatham yesterday. There's a few farms and tractors sitting out. So I'm assuming they had something like a Mother's Day tour too. Oh, maybe. Yeah. And it could be up to see what they do. You never know where the trip takes you until you show up at the, and then they give you the pamphlet. So maybe it is Chatham that the trip goes. Oh, it's probably more than one over. Yeah, that's true.
One more.
I think we got an offer still on there. I think he got an offer.
Don't mix those two, Bob.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Around here out of the wind.
Wait till we get down a little bit, and really see what's going on. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. All right. But I still got you. But I couldn't get.
Yeah, it's interesting because I've been in the woodworking for years and I've just started this in the last couple of years. You look at it, it's the same goddamn principle, just a little different, process to get to the shape. Were you ever saying the gun displacement you had demonstrated? No, this is only my third meeting.
Over here.
One that looks nice in woodworking is drilling holes for the heater rod. It gets squared. Oh, okay, yeah. That works slick. Makes a beautiful furniture that way. I was looking at a guy who was or something net all the time doing that stuff, and there's a guy in DC who's doing this, and what he's doing is really slab wood furniture type stuff, and then just using doing this kind of stuff with the wonky base underneath. Yeah, really neat looking stuff. Oh yeah. They do the same thing with the top table and they do is you want to take it and draw it there. Sure, something there, yeah. Try to introduce them to around there. The same way for I tried to convince them to change the program. Did they do come down to also demos as well? Yeah. I don't know, it's hard to function. Oh, flowers, that kind of stuff. My wife's into that stuff. Yeah.
In England, you can buy blacksmith.
Oh, yeah.
This is Coke here.
But it's also pretty good.
So if you had it like this,
Interesting to know that again. It's the same goddamn. Just a different, just a different medium, exactly. A little slower, medium, a little, you don't get.
One thing we do is
Trying to think now
The engine with a hammer and wood, you can do one of those. Exactly.
but the thing is, I actually just
You can always stretch. Well, that's what we were just talking about earlier. Woodwork, you just cut that goddamn board off to the yard and screw it in. You ain't gonna stretch that big. Yeah.
As soon as you shut your gate off,
And the tolerances are low. You wanna get some iron in the head?
Get some help and set that on the floor.
well, yeah, relatively.
and maybe
How many would you?
maybe take a file to that corner a little bit.
Two?
On the sleeve.
It's easy to weld.
Pretty sharp.
Like $2, bro?
I hate sharp corners.
put that somewhere where you just lift it straight up, put the center on there. So you can